Negasngi hawakali waisngaw hadrong ki advertisement wada penpor langba ki social media ki wabeng wai penbat kudjat ya menteri rangba kamjo ya ke sorkar neliang u Conrad ki sangma da ongo wa ini wara to cibenta yang kesain hima politics wejia I hakeleng wmm u khyrngiat uyeni da ongo wada yo uyeni na chwa wakat ni tangwa kam ngotip walai bat ki kre ya ki kampen roy we ki bru wa yo ya ki kampen roy lek kemen gi chu da ongo wa ki bru semen ki wa kelam ki wa beng we penbat yo o mbin wo kelam ne bha da ki hajar ngut ki bru ki wa psia cha ka npp man kesngi we ini rap kelam perthai hejo ipor da ongo wa lengba ki social media ki bru ye ki wa pensngau ye wa haki kadwa ka sorkar wan upteng ko ukre ye ki kam yongka.
I think all this is part of politics, so it happens everywhere. I'm not surprised by it, and we have seen this in the past and we're seeing it now also. But I think what is important to note is that the work is happening. Number two, the people who are getting development know about it and they're happy. And number three, in spite of all the negative comments that people are giving and those individuals who are giving, I wouldn't say people, but certain individuals, there are thousands and thousands of people who are joining our party every day. So I think that is really the reflection of what the people's feeling is. More leaders are joining. So I think it's a positive wave. Social media is one part of the ways people express their ideas and their concerns, and certain individuals are doing it. So there's no problem in it. We continue doing our work.